Hello, so this is the first screen. It's a sign up screen. This information will be for the user and it will go into the database to use in the future. So I'm going to enter just my information. And then here I can also upload a photo from the gallery. So I just have sample photos here. I will just use this one. And then it signs up and that information should go into the database. So this is just a basic welcome screen. And here the user will have two options. So they can either go to categories. We click here. This retrieves the categories that's available. These categories are they don't have any functionality as of right now, but I want to eventually have a user select a category, and that will filter out the markers that go into that category, and I will show you where they pick those categories later on. It's not clickable right now, so I'm just going to go back, and then so if they click map, this will take them to Google Maps. So this is just a sample that I put in here. So essentially I want to have the user add a note and then have that note attached to the marker that they add to the map. So far I have the note, so when they click the map, which I will show in a minute, it takes them to the note screen. But this is ultimately what I want to show in the future, so they can either have just a photo, they can just have a text box, or they can have a combination of both. This is a custom icon that I created, so it doesn't have the classic marker that the Google Maps has, so that when they just look at the map, they can see all of these text boxes. So I'm going to click here. And so this goes to the note box. So here they can add a title. So let's just say cafe. And they can add any description they like about it. So just a cozy place, for example. And then this is where they select the category. So these are the available categories that we have for now. So I'm going to click cafe. And then they can also upload a photo to that if they like. So upload a photo, go into here. I don't have a photo of a cafe. I have a photo of the Blue Lagoon, but that will do for now. And they'll get a preview of this. And once they click save, it goes into the database. But right now I don't have the text box retrieving that information from the database to show up on the map. But essentially, like I said, I would like to have it show up like that. So this is it. It's just very simple right now, simple functionality, and they can just scroll, but that's about it.